There is a technique that allows you to fall in love with anyone. In this video, we'll look at the technique itself and how it works, and why it shouldn't be abused. So why does it work? First of all, people love those who love them, that's a fact. And conversely, people don't like those who treat them negatively. Even for you, you're more likely to like someone who supports your ideas, your initiative, or with a person who criticizes you and tries to humiliate you. This is, of course, a rhetorical question, and there is no need to answer it. And so, from this comes out, in order to be loved, we need to love the person. The technique is simple. Every time you meet someone you know or the object of your affection, you have 30 seconds to give him a compliment. The main thing is that the compliment should be sincere. Hypocrisy does not roll here. To begin with, you need to learn to see something good in people. As the saying goes, you want to change the world, start with yourself. And as soon as you begin to see the virtues of man, notice them with compliments. But remember, the technique has a cumulative effect. Nothing will change from one time, you have to repeat it from day to day. The human brain, receiving something good, releases endorphins, the hormones of happiness. Thanks to this, a person is invigorated and feels a boost of energy. And the brain, in turn, quickly gets used to something good. By remembering that this good can be obtained by communicating with you, the object of sympathy will intuitively start to gravitate towards you. Anything, even the kindest thing, can be turned into a weapon. I will ask you not to use this technique for manipulation. Still, you must remember that the law of the boomerang works in life. Any evil or good is bound to come back. Check out our other motivational videos. Subscribe to the channel, My Inspiration, in order not to miss new episodes and become wiser with us. Thanks for watching.